Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to lock cells. So let's say you want to actually lock the cells from getting selected. So it is a very simple process of doing it. As so for that, I'm assuming that you know how to lock a file in Excel. So for that, you have to go in the review tab. In under the review tab, click on protection and manage protection. When the manage protection tab gets opened, you have to open the option of options. So basically these two first selected boxes, select locked cells and select unlocked cells, are all already ticked in the default cells. So all you have So all you have to do is that just unselect the cells from here, and you just then you are just good to go, and your file will no longer be selecting any cells. Now as you can see, I am clicking multiple amount of times, but there were no cells that are getting selected. So this is how you lock the cells, actually individual cells, from getting selected in an Excel sheet. So even if you click this sheet is protected, some parts may be view only. So it will not